Today we have a special video. This one is the Hirono Shelter series, and it's the full set, not just one box. So there are 12 in here. If we look here, there are 12. You can see all of them. Now, there is a chance for there to be the 13th one, which is the special character, but it's not guaranteed. The normal ones are 1 in 12 chance, and the special is 1 in 144. So it's possible for us to get the special one. I'm excited. All right. Again, this is our first set Hirono Shelter series. All right. All right. Here we go. First box. Let's get this open. It's exciting. The only thing about Hirono boxes, they always seem a little difficult to open. But we got it. Here we go. First one. We have a little bell. Oh no, it feels like something big. Here we go. Here we go, first one. We have this guy. Stick him over here. Wow, he's got a little bell. He is called Birdie. There's the first one. All right, here we have the second one. Again, this is Hirono Shelter. We're almost open on this one. There we go. And it's open. Here we are. See? Okay, nothing else in the box. Another big one. See? On 3. There we are. Wow, here he is. This guy is, let's look at his card. His name is Birdcage. This is Birdcage. There we go. Then the next box. Just waiting to see if we get lucky with the special. And here's a clue. We have the little, looks like a little lamp or a torch. I think some of you might know with this one already. Let's put this here. This one is, whew, like a little candle. So let me stick him here and put his, let me just find out what's his name. This is candle holder. Goes right on top. Yeah, just right like that. Perfect. A little flame. Candle holder, Hirono. Stick this guy back in here. All right. Next one. Here we go. So far we have Birdcage, candle holder, and Birdie. I'm going to see if I can remember all of them by the time we get to the end after all 12. We'll see. They seem easier to open today. There we go. Oh. No, none of you saw that, so. There we go. Here we go. What is he? Oh, nothing else in here? Oh, I'm not even sure what he is. He's got this little thing on top. Okay, it's a little hook. So let's see what he's called. Sunny Doll, I think. It's called Sunny Doll. So this doll is to scare the rain away. So Sunny Doll, I guess. All right, let's put you back here. All right, we're on box number 5 out of 12. Still haven't got the special yet. It's good. If you got the special with the first box, it would be kind of just like, then you would know everything else that was in the box, kind of. And it's open. Okay, so we, again, birdie, birdcage, candle holder, sunny doll. So far, I remember them. Let's try not to get anything out. Take another big one. And here he is. Wow, he's an interesting looking guy. He's like standing behind a little picture thing. It makes him look a little more interesting. He is Poet. It says right on his back also, if you look here. Poet. Stick this guy back in here. Perfect. So Poet, Sunny Doll, Candle Holder, Bird Cage, and Birdie. Okay, next box. Let's see if we can avoid knocking them over. Here we go. And is that open? Yes, it is. There we go. There's like another kind of a large one. It's got something, I don't know. This might be something interesting. There we go. Can't open them that way. Oh, here he is. This guy looks like he's in a little castle. He's called Fort. Yeah, this one is called Fort. Okay. There we go. So a Fort, Poet, Sunny Doll, Candle Holder, Bird Cage, and Birdie. So far, we're getting them open. All right, box number 7. Here we go. There we go. It's open. Here, we have 1, 3. This one's got a red bottom on it. I wonder what that is. It is. He looks like he's on a traffic cone here. He's part of a traffic cone. His name is Traffic Cone. So he's got a little sign here, don't cross. Aha, it is a magnet. Don't cross. Let's see here. So Traffic Cone, Fort, Poet, Sunny Day, Candle Holder, Bird Cage, and Birdie. The goal is to try to see if I can get to all 12 and remember all the names. All right, here we go. Next one. This is box number 8. There, we are open. Let's see. Go. Wow. But the good thing is we're not going to get any duplicates. Aha. It's a little clue. And he is, ta-da! All right, he is called Alien. Let's see if this was a Alien, Traffic Cone, Fort, Poet, Sunny Day, Candle Holder, Bird Cage, and Birdie. All right, here we go. Here's the next one. They really want us to open this one. This is like no glue whatsoever. Special one. Let's see. And he is this guy. He's kind of in like a little circus tent. So he is Circus. Here we go, Circus. Here we go. Number 10. There we go. It is open. Oh, it's exciting. What is it? Which one is this? first. His name is Warrior. So, again, Warrior. He's holding a bone. I don't know. This is his armor, I guess. He made his own armor to protect himself. 2 more boxes. Countdown. Getting closer. Remember, the chance to get the special one is 144. 1 in 144. All right. Box number 11. Box number 11. Box number 11 was pretty easy to open. You have to go all the way to here. Oh, here he is. Let's see here. See what is he? He's like he's in a house. He's got a little it's like the smoke that comes out of a chimney at the top. He is called Cabin. He's in his own little house, a little small little cabin. Let's see what it is. It can be one of only 2. There can be only 2 possibilities of what this can be. It could be a special or it could be the last one. Let's see. And it's open. It feels big. It's open. And we have, ta-da! The last one. Is it kind of another, almost looks like another little house. It is called Mantle Clock. There we go. Mantle Clock. He is number 12. We got the complete set here. All right, so we have opened the last one of this set. Mantle Clock, Cabin, Warrior, Circus, Poet, Fort, Traffic Cone, Alien, Sunny Day, Candle Holder, Birdcage, and Birdie. The whole set, all 12 of this edition. Again, this is the Hirono Shelter edition.